This segment of Bridge Street is brought to you by Back in Touch Wellness Center.
You know, the human body is a finely tuned machine, but sometimes we need to have a tweak here and there, and that's where the Back in Touch Wellness Center here on East Genesee Street in DeWitt comes into play. Dr. Ellie Gutterman is the owner and operator. Talk a little bit about your wellness center.
Here at Back in Touch, our wellness center, we have a multidisciplinary approach to healthcare. We have acupuncture, chiropractic massage, many different varieties for when people come in, they can feel which type of care is going to best suit them to get them the results that they're looking for.
Let's take a look at some of the therapies that you offer.
Shiatsu is excellent for a whole body approach. If somebody has acid indigestion or has a lot of mental fog or they're trying to get more clarity in their work. So somebody looking for not a specific type of problem but an overall type of healing for their system, this is an excellent approach for that. It may help to rejuvenize a person. It may help to relax somebody better throughout the day. So if you're looking for a whole body approach for a multitude of symptoms, then this is an excellent way to approach it and attack that as well.
Now there's no table.
We're dealing with Eastern massage, so it's on the floor on a mat. A person is fully clothed for it, so if somebody may feel a little uncomfortable getting on a table and taking off their clothes, this is another great way to do it without them having that uncomfortableness to it. This is the traditional Swedish massage, which most clients are used to having.
And what does Swedish massage do for them, besides make them feel really good?
Absolutely. With Swedish massage, we're attacking specific muscles. Let's say you may have something that be tight or it's aching in your neck or shoulders. So usually the muscles are tightened up. It could be because of stress or sitting at a computer all day. People have bad postures. So we're trying to help fix those postures and put them back into the places that the muscles should be and lengthen them back out and open it back up so people don't have that tightness or stress or aching anymore.
And you're concentrating a lot on the shoulders, the back, the neck.
Yeah, most of the time we spend about 60–70% of the massage on the back itself. We definitely deal with arms and legs and neck and head, whatever the chief complaints might be for the people coming in, that's what we're going to address and attack for them. We want to make sure that when they're coming in, we can take care of what they need specifically.
What types of massage do you offer?
We offer the shiatsu massage, we offer the traditional Swedish massage. A lot of people like the hot stone massage, so it helps with the heat to penetrate, to open up the muscles as well. Reflexology is pretty popular, which is the work on just the feet or the hands. We also offer couples massage where people come in together. And of course, we also do the deep tissue massage, which is what we're most famous for here.
Now, you're also a chiropractor. How does that fit into the whole scheme of treatment here?
When people first come into our wellness center, we prefer them to see the chiropractor first. The reason for that is because we do a postural evaluation. We'll check out how their spine's doing, what they're doing on a daily basis, and how it might be affecting their everyday lives. We do orthopedic testing, neurological testing where it's warranted, and we're going to figure out the best approach to take care of the individual for. What chiropractic is all about is very simple. It's putting movement and mobility back into a restricted segment. So all we're doing is finding the areas that are a little tightened or restricted and helping the movement back along.
One little adjustment can make a real difference all over.
Absolutely.
And chiropractic is covered by insurance now.
Yeah, so chiropractic most of the time is covered by insurances, and we do accept most insurances.
Now, in addition to all the other therapies you offer, you have Chinese medicine here too.
Yes, we like to include acupuncture in our wellness center because many times people will come in and they're looking for another alternative type of care. With the needles in acupuncture, similar to shiatsu, just with the energy flowing along the different meridians or channels in the body, we're able to tap into different points, or tsubos as they're called. And putting a needle in a specific spot on the body is able to correlate with some internal organs, with how the brain is functioning, to how it's relating to the overall health of the individual as well. Our acupuncturist, Sammy Beatty, has a lot of different approaches and therapies. There may be some cupping going on. We have those heat lamps above, and he might be doing a hypnosis session with the person while all this is culminating together as well.
And Back in Touch is on East Genesee Street, right next to the IHOP. Their number is 218-0369, and you can check them out online at backintouch.net. And it is time for another winner in the Holiday Gift Guide contest, Carrie, and this one is a nice prize. One person is going to get 6 one-hour massage certificates. Each one of them is worth $65.
One person gets 6? Oh, I love it. Okay.
So we'll flip it around here. And
good prize. I wanted to win all the prizes we've given away this week. Yeah, they're all good. But this one, ooh, baby. All right, the winner of this prize is Melissa Wyatt of Portland.
Congratulations, Melissa.
Back in touch for you. Get ready to relax and enjoy. All right, coming up next, the Salvation Army is here. We're going to talk about their major fundraising effort, and stay tuned. We'll be right back with Bridge Street.